welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to decorate my bedroom. Guys, you know it's spring, so I love to decorate my home. I love to change colors. And guys, I've been not posting for a couple of days now, so I needed some time off. You know, guys, I've been working so hard. I travel, I do a lot of things. So now I'm back. I'm here to stay. So I'm going to post videos. So like I did a couple times before, and I'm going to be very constant with you guys. So I ask you to bear with me, stay with me. So I'm working on it. I need to edit and everything. Okay guys, if you're a home decor lover and you love to change your home, this channel is definitely for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell. Whenever I post, you will be the first person to know. Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. Okay guys, as you can see my bedroom, I did the cleaning off camera. I just want to give you a tour and tell you where I got everything. And the way I do my bedroom, I wanted something bring the spring, some pink flowers, as I did the same thing in my entryway. Guys, if you missed the video, you can go check it out. So those flowers are so beautiful. I want to put them throughout my home. This is the way my entryway look like. So I wanted to bring the pink vibe in my bedroom without overdo. As you can see, I love whenever you step in my home, that's the way you're going to see the entryway. So I wanted to bring the same vibe into my bedroom, but not too much, you know. I did my inspiration was the wall art in the center of the wall of the bed. So it's kind of white pink, white and gold. So I wanted to add a little pink on it just to for spring. You know guys, I always love to change my home. In this corner I used to have my desk, and I will move it because I'm going to add 2 extra chairs. Guys, this is my inspiration. I get this wall art at Burlington, and I think it was like $69, something like that. Very beautiful, because at the other stores like Z Gallery you will find similar but for more expensive, but I paid for this price and I love it. And this was my inspiration for my bedroom, and I really love how everything turns out. And those pillows, guys, I get them from Timo. They didn't have bigger size, but this one was okay. But if it was bigger, I would love them even more. And for my mattress, it's from Mobili, and guys, I really love them. I really love my mattress. It's so soft, it's so good, and guys, it's very good. So if you want a budget, you want a good mattress, this one might be a good option, because it's not, your body doesn't sink, and it's soft and firm at the same time. I cannot describe how good this mattress is, guys, but the link will be in the description box down below. If you want something like that, you can definitely check it out because it's a good mattress. Okay guys, as you can see, it's 14 inches, and it suits my bed very good, and I love it after a long day of work. So this mattress does it for me. Okay guys, as you can see, and I'm going to the bathroom right now just to show you, because I wanted the same pink flowers everywhere throughout my home. And I really love the way I changed the bathroom, and I just add my little bunny just to welcome spring and Easter. And guys, I really love it. And you know, those baskets from Amazon, I'm going to put the link in the description box down below for you guys. I love them. I even have my sister buy them because they're so good. And those flowers from Walmart, they're very nice, and I think I have like 8 inside the on the vase, because it's a lot of them, and I love a lot of flowers. And this mirror is my DIY, which is I really love. And guys, it's a Z Gallery dupe. The link where I did the DIY will be in the description box down below. guys, you can check it out if you like this mirror, because I love it. I think I did it, I have it for like 4 years now, and I love it, guys. I can tell you. In my TV stand fireplace, I'll put the link in the description box down below for you guys. Everything in this video going to be in the description box down below. If you anything that you want, you can check it out, guys. This is the way my bedroom look like right now. So I really love how I changed it, and I didn't overdo anything. I didn't over not too much thing. It's just perfect for me right now. And guys, as you already know, I always change my bedroom, so I'm going to change it for the next couple weeks, um just change everything, to bring not only to bring you some good ideas. And I love to change my home too, guys. It's a win-win for all of us. I just really love my bathroom. And if you guys been watching me so far, you know the way I transformed this bathroom, and I really love how it is right now. So I didn't do too much, just put the what is necessary for the bathroom in a book. I always have book in my bathroom, because sometimes you need to pass the time. So the book will help you relax so you can read. And I really like that. And yes, that's the way my home is for summer. So I'm going, not for summer, guys, for spring. I'm so ready for summer. Okay, guys, as you can see up there, I have my little bunny. And just I like to put curtain in my bathroom, just make it look more fancy, more cleaner, everything. As you can see, guys, this is the wall art that was my inspiration. And the link of everything will be in the description box down below. I get those flowers at TJ Maxx. This video, guys, was a quick welcome back. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love. And don't forget to leave me a big comment down below. Let me know what do you think, if you like it. Even if you don't like it, I would love to hear from you guys. And guys, don't forget to come back for more videos coming soon. As I said before, I'm coming back and I'm here to stay. So make sure to come back and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And for all of you, my subscribers, thank you so much. I will never be where I am without you. Thank you so much for your love and for your support. Okay, guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one.